Alright guys, what's up? I got this awesome new remote from RadioLink. I saw my friend Mike using this and I gave it a try and I really liked it. So here's the unboxing. There's that and your instructions. Alright, now that we got that all taken care of, what do we got here? Ooh, we got a lanyard. Got our remote. Some type of adapter. The receiver. Now this one's interesting. It has two antennas on it. This has the capability underneath here to use a light bulb. For now, I'm just going to use regular batteries. But yeah, this is it. It's got a nice little antenna. You could swivel. Power buttons back here. Then it's got all these additional channel switches that you can use. It's got a USB plug. I guess maybe you could charge it with that. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try and install it on one of my RCs today, and we're gonna see how it does in terms of ease of programming and binding. Well, I think it should be